Hello everybody, I have the camera brought in a little bit closer. I'm having some lighting issues. Everything is coming in very blue. So I'm trying to pull it in a little bit tighter because you can see like my nails look funny and my skin is weird. Anyway, so I brought it in a little bit closer than it normally is, but this is the December kit. Even though it says January, I think this is the December kit for your creative studio. I think if not, then it is the sewing themed kit. So again, I apologize, the lighting is very weird. Ever since daylight savings, the lighting is just weird in this room now. So it doesn't get warmer in here until later in the afternoons now, rather than kind of lunchtime. So see how it's just like all over the place. Anyway, so let's jump right in. I'm just gonna put everything slightly out of frame because I want to be able to show it up close, and hopefully everything goes smoothly without losing a bunch of light. So the first item that we have is the rubber stamp. And it looks like the similar style as this sewing machine. So very cute. I love this design. I love sewing machines. I'm not a seamstress, cannot sew to save my life. I did make some crib sheets for Clara when I was pregnant with her. Or no, I guess it was after she was born, but she was still with us and not in her own bed. And I really thought that project was really special. But here are, so we got some bobbins and then the measuring tape. Kind of hard to see with this lighting. But like I said, struggling. I'm trying my best. I apologize. Here is a crocheted coaster. And I can't tell if this is one of the exclusive items or if this was procured, but I like this card. I'm gonna definitely repurpose that because I don't see any branding or anything on it, but that's really pretty. Wish I could get the lighting to just stop dancing, but here we are. I've tried the AF lock and it's just not working. It's just because of where the sun is in the sky, but we have some lavender washi tape. Really thin, pretty tape. The problem I have with thin washies is I struggle with their adhesion. I just feel like thinner tapes just don't adhere as well as the thicker ones. Naturally, there's a lot less material. Okay, so I was gonna open that, but then I saw these. What the what? So we have lots of items that we haven't had before, including scissors, and these are really nice. So I'm very excited because I actually collect embroidery scissors. I've probably got 15 or 20, and I absolutely love them, and I've never seen this design before, and these are really beautiful. They actually feel really good in the hand too. A lot of these really pretty delicate embroidery scissors tend to kind of hurt. So these are just kind of ones I have on my desk. They're very similar, but they're like probably 50 years in age difference. I got these at an estate sale recently, and I think I got these at like Hobby Lobby. But yeah, so I really love these. They feel really good in the hand. They don't hurt to use, so that's going to be a lovely addition to the desk. Love, love, love. And then I'm actually going to use these scissors to open up this package here. Alright, so very thick pad here, and I'm seeing variant here, so I'm gonna flip through and see if this is all the same design. We have a stop to-do list, love that. Then we have a numbered list, 4 date and then a number. So much of those. And then we have a weekly breakdown. These are incredible. Holy moly. Okay, I'm in love with this. And then we have this, the checklist that looks like a ticket stub or maybe a movie or a book rating or a show rating. Because you could easily just cut this off or just put a piece of washi tape over that. And then you don't have to worry about that. It's like the perfect little rating for your journals. And look how much of each design come in. That's so much. Holy bananas. Your creative studio definitely does not lack like shareable content. Like the material, it comes with so much that you can easily share it without hesitating. All right, so here is the exclusive washi design, which I'm actually surprised to see since we already have a washi in here. But these are going to have the exclusive designs that Amanda has curated for this particular kit. And it goes on for a while, so there it starts to repeat. We've got some bobbins, some thumb protector things, I forget what they're called, buttons, the actual sewing machine, a stitch ripper, scissors, twine, string, looks like a square, some buttons. Love it. This is actually so much fun. Like I said, I don't sew personally, but I love and appreciate the talent that goes along with that. And I personally have like 4 or 5 vintage like this sewing machines because I love sewing tables. And the machines typically come in the tables. All right, so we have a pack of stickers here. We've got some black and white clear stickers that are roughly sort of cut out. I definitely feel like I could fussy cut these better because these are square cut. I love the designs though. Oh, look at that one. Obviously, I'm in love with this. Sorry, my watch keeps going off. I'm a popular woman today. I was on the phone for an hour and a half earlier with someone. Oh, man. Okay, and then we have 2 more sheets. So we've got some animals. So there's a little bit of everything in here. Ooh, there's an Esther Books ad. There's a little bit of everything. We've got some postal, some travel, some vintage labels, and then just regular words and images. So a lot in there. Lot of stuff is covered in that. Here we have the exclusive sticker set. Absolutely amazing. I love these embroidery scissors. I've been collecting embroidery scissors for a while, and I always love it, but the market kind of went down on them, and I really wasn't seeing any new or interesting designs, so I stopped collecting, but I feel like they're coming back. So maybe I'll get lucky again. Oh, before I open that, I want to open this. This is the charm that came in the kit. We don't get one every month, but here it is. It's a little vintage sewing machine. How cute is that? I have a feeling I'm going to be sharing this with one of my pen pals in particular. She's in my opinion, a professional seamstress, but she's a quilter. And during the pandemic, she made so many masks for us for every single holiday and all kinds of themes for the kids. It was incredible. All right, so here we have some, I guess it's ephemera. So we've got some 3x4 cards. This would have been cute for Project Life. Love the imaging there. An old pin holder. I love that stitch ripper. It's so pretty. And then this one is blank to add your journaling, and they are single-sided. And then this one is a little bit bigger, maybe 4x5, not quite 4x6. We get 3 of these designs. I really love how delicate this is. This is really, really a great design and theme. I love how these papers are already collaged. And this is a thicker card. So, yeah, great for layering. All right, and we have the last item here, which is the 6x6 designs, and I'm really hoping this is sticker paper. Kind of feels like it is. We've got one of each design here. So we have a form with flowers inside. Beautiful little cluster right here with the buttons scattered. Here is that beautifully decorated sewing machine. So pretty. More of those and just delectable elements. This whole theme is just delicious. Love it. Love, love, love. And I think that is it. Yeah, so we've got 6x6 paper, 2 different size card, exclusive sticker sheet, sticker pack, 4 stamps, 2 rolls of washi, scissors, a crocheted coaster, this big chunky thing here. I mean, what are you looking for? Because it's here. I just think this is awesome and I cannot wait to use this. I definitely did not connect as well with the last theme. I think it was the blue flower one. There was snowflakes in it and it would have been, I mean, it's hard for me to use snowflakes in Florida anyway, but it probably could have made more sense using some of those elements in like December or January, but it's really hard to make it work in March. So probably won't see that one again. I'm really sorry, but you'll see this one again. I really love this one. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will leave everything you need to find your creative studio down below to make it as easy as possible for you. And I'll catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.